Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make money online with affiliate marketing $100 every single day. Okay, this is going to be really the easiest strategy and the best method which can really make you some significant amount of money in very less time. So now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time, because I know your time is very important and you are very eager to make some money online. So now let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is first you need to find some great products. Okay, so let me show you the best products which I recommend to promote utilizing this strategy. Okay, so the first product is on ClickBank. Okay, it is known as Video Marketing Blaster. Okay, so this is a product which is related to YouTube and YouTube growth, and you can promote this product, okay, utilizing this free strategy. Okay, as well as if you don't have a ClickBank account, because many of the people in their countries don't support ClickBank, or ClickBank they doesn't accept people from many of the countries, and I have got a solution for that, and that is another affiliate program which is known as Warrior Plus. Okay, so if you aren't able to sign up with ClickBank in a particular country, then you just go to Warrior Plus and sign up, because in Warrior Plus there is no approval process or anything just like that. They accept people from all over the world, and you can sign up and start promoting products which are available on Warrior Plus. So Warrior Plus also has a bunch of products which are related to YouTube. Okay, so you can promote those products with this strategy, but for now we are going to use this product which is Video Marketing Blaster. Okay, so this is really something amazing product, and this product has also helped my YouTube channel. So let me show you what the product is. Okay, sorry, it wasn't able to load view mobile. Okay, so this is the product which is Video Marketing Blaster. So this product literally shows people how they can rank their videos, how they can have SEO for their YouTube videos, and all that interesting stuff, and it costs only $27. So if you really want to grow your YouTube channel, I have one affiliate link in the description. So if you are interested in this product, then you can go with that affiliate link and buy this product if you want. Okay, but if you are interested in making money with this product, then watch this video till the end, because I'm going to show you how you can promote this product to multiple platforms. Okay, and absolutely for free, without spamming anybody and not doing any of the not doing very hard work. Okay, it's really the simplest strategy. I myself personally started out with this strategy and it worked. Okay, so not most of the people are willing to tell you the strategies, the secret strategies which they have used in the past, but still I want to be transparent with you. I want you to make some money, and that's the reason why I am telling you all the secrets which this affiliate gurus will never tell you, because they are so busy promoting their courses to you. They want to sell you so much stuff and make most of the money out of you, but I'm not selling you anything, but I am showing you some of the great things which can help you. And for this video's sake, I am promoting just one product, which is Video Marketing Blaster. So you can just check this product. If you are interested, then you can buy. But if you don't have the money to buy this product, firstly make money with this product, and after that buy this product, because this product is really something which provides a lot of value, and this can help you really grow your YouTube channel, as I have used this product, and this product has helped me to grow my YouTube channel. Okay, it just cost $27. Now let's go and see how much commission this product pays when you promote it as an affiliate. So you can earn up to $21 of commission promoting this particular product. Okay, now let me show you another product, and that is let's go. Okay, here. Okay, so just go to Warrior Plus, and you can also find this product, YT Supremacy. Okay, so I highly recommend this product also, because this is also a great product, and for those who don't have a ClickBank account or are not able to sign up for ClickBank, can promote this product on Warrior Plus. Okay, so now To get the promotion link for Warrior Plus, you will get an interface just like this. All you need to do is click on this request button. Okay, once you click on the request button, a page will load up over here, and then okay, so I have already requested for this one. So let me show you another one so that I can provide you with the script which you have to use. So okay, so just click on this request approval, and now so this one they are not accepting. So the thing is that you just have to request for 5 to 6 offers which are related to YouTube on Warrior Plus, and you may get accepted for 2 to 3 offers in just 3 to 4 hours. Okay, and after that this type of get link button will appear. Just click on that button and get the affiliate link. Okay, and now you can promote this affiliate link to multiple platforms. Okay, now let's jump into the content and I will show you how you are going to promote this product. Okay, for this example we are going to use this ClickBank affiliate offer, which is video marketing, but you can do this strategy with Warrior Plus products also, so don't worry about that stuff, it would be the same strategy. Okay, so to do so, first we need to go to YouTube. Okay, don't worry, we are not gonna make any of the videos, just stick with me and let me show you the strategy. Okay, now for now just search for something which is like fitness. Okay, fitness, we just search for fitness. Now what you have to do is click on this filter button and just go to last hour, or you can also click on today, but for this I will show you last hour. Okay, so now you can see that all these small creators are trying to creating YouTube videos, and they really want their YouTube channels to grow. Okay, so you can see there are lots and lots of them. Okay, so this person just uploaded this video 14 minutes ago. Okay, and she is probably trying to create a beautiful video. Now what you have to do is you have to comment. Okay, this is really important. You have to comment, and you don't have to spam people with links, or absolutely don't spam anyone, because this is really important. This is a strategy. Okay, you are going to follow a sales script. Okay, and I'm gonna provide you with that script. Now I'm revealing the script, so just pause this video if you are watching it on your smartphone and take a screenshot, and if you are watching this on computer, then pause this video and just note down what the script is in your computer. Okay, so this is the script. So see, hey, as a content creator, I want to help you to get more views and subscribers in a legit way. Okay, I just forgot to write legit way. Okay, in a legit way. This is something which helped my channel to take off, and I was able to rank my videos with it. If videos with it. Okay, if interested, then you can comment. Okay, sorry, then here you just have to write if interested, then reply to my comment. Okay, this is the comment which you have to post. Okay, in this new YouTuber's channel. Okay, so just take so have you took the screenshot? Okay, just let me show you again. Now take the screenshot. Okay, and understand what is this. Okay, let me make it big. Take the screenshot. Okay, so you have got the screenshot of the script. Now all you need to do is post this on this YouTube channel. Okay, so post this on this YouTube channel. Then just check out many other videos. So you will find lots and lots of small YouTubers like this one, like this one, like this one. We are not going to paste any affiliate links now. Okay, let me show you the entire strategy. Post it on this one, 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 and many more. Okay, just post this links, post this comment. Okay, and see who and many of the YouTubers will reply to your comment. Okay, and those who reply to your comment, just give them your affiliate link. Okay, because once you comment on this YouTube channels, you are not going to go in a spam section, because you are not directly promoting your link, but you are asking them for a reply. And when they reply to your comment, all you need to do is post them, give them this second. Then once they reply to you, then give them this. Okay, so here is the tool which I use to rank my videos, and give your affiliate link so that they can get access to that particular tool. Okay, so and if they are interested, they will buy, and if they buy, you get a commission. Now, to be specific, you just have to write this comment in just almost 10 to 20 to 50 people per day. Okay, just comment this to 50 people per day, or out of that 20 to 30 people will reply to your comment, and you provide them access to this particular product which you are promoting. Okay, this is absolutely great strategy, because you are following a sales script, as well as you are building a sort of relationship with these people. Okay, so that's the reason why they need to trust you. They will trust you, and they will check out that particular product, and if they buy that product, you get a commission. Now, if you are gonna approach 50 people every single day, so if you approach 50 people, out of that 20 people may reply to you. Okay, so you are going to send 20 targeted people who are absolutely interested in growing their YouTube channel, go to a particular product which can really help them to grow their YouTube. So those targeted people will go to that product, and although you make only 2 sales or 3 sales a day, you are gonna make more than $50 every single day. And if you want to scale it up, just write this comment to 100 people, and then you can scale it up to $100 every single day. Okay, so that's the strategy. You have to comment this particular thing at first, and those are all the YouTubers, new YouTubers who reply to you, you just have to provide them the access of your affiliate link. But those YouTubers who don't reply to you, don't spam their comment section and wait. If they reply after 2 to 3 days, then at that time you can go and comment, reply to them. Okay, so that's really, because this is a snowball effect. As you are commenting on more and more YouTubers, day by day, some YouTubers may give you reply today, some may reply you tomorrow, some may reply you day after tomorrow. Okay, so this way, this method is going to snowball, and you are gonna get more and more people, and you are gonna send more and more people who are interested in YouTube to this amazing offer. And that's the reason why you are gonna make a lot of money. Okay, but don't overdo this method. Just don't spam people directly. Do this in this legit method with utilizing this legit strategy, and you can make a lot of money. Okay, now I'm gonna also show you one more traffic source which you can use this strategy on. Okay, and it works awesome. Okay, so let me show you that another traffic source. Okay, and that traffic source is known as Facebook. Okay, so you can just go to this Facebook group. Okay, so this is one of the Facebook group which is YouTubers grow together, subscribers sub for sub. Now what you need to do is you need to post the script over here. Okay, so hey, as a creator, I want you to help you get more views with the legit strategy, and this helped my YouTube channel. So if interested, then reply me. Then you just have to change this. Then type YouTube. Then type YouTube in the comment. Okay. There is a spelling mistake, a small spelling mistake. Okay, then type YouTube in the comment. Okay, and you have to post this in this type of groups. Okay, which are YouTube growth groups, as well as there are thousands of this type of groups which are available on Facebook. So just join as many as possible of them and reply with the, and just post this. Okay, now those who reply to your comment, now all you need to do is just reply to those with your affiliate link, and that's it. So those people who are interested in this type of product will probably reply to your comment, okay, and then you just have to provide them the access. Okay, so that's really easy, that's really simple, and that can really help you grow your audience and get more people to buy this products. Okay, so they are gonna reply to you, they are gonna comment down below, those who are interested people, and you just have to provide them your affiliate link, and they will go to the product, and if they buy the product, you get a commission. Now the great thing about this Facebook as well as YouTube is that there are thousands and thousands and thousands of people who are just there, okay, and they are ready to buy your products. All you need to do is put out your affiliate links, use this really simple strategy, and start making a lot of money, $100 every single day. You can just make $100 with this easiest strategy, one of the best strategy ever. But I know that only 1% of my viewers are going to take action on this strategy and are going to make money out of this strategy. So don't be in that 99% people who never take action, but be in that 1% who are really gonna make money with this strategy, who are really going to take action on this strategy. So I come up with new videos related to make money online, affiliate marketing, online business every single day on my YouTube channel. So just do me a favor by pressing the subscribe button so that you will get all these awesome videos every single day. And you can also press the like button on the video, which will motivate me, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.